girl. Who wants food? Peyton wants food. Is that good? Is that good? Does Peyton want food? Please, Nana. Please. Can I have some? Oh. These bananas aren't as orange as the squash and sweet potato. Say, hurry, Nana. Hurry. Hurry. Yum, 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 yum. Sit up a little bit. You're getting all crooked. Crazy crooked. There you go. Okay. Ready? Anything makes you talk this well. Right? Did you get that? Mm-hmm. Did Papa get you? I've never seen anybody as hungry as you are. I have never seen that. Yummy, yummy. You're more funny than watching Seinfeld. Is it good? She's so expressive. Whoop. Oh. I got some on the... No, but we'll get the cut later. See, it's hard to be neat and greedy, huh? At the same time. Hungry girl. Whoop. Get the dust. Hungry girl. I've never seen anything like that. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? It's okay to talk, because people think I'm speaking to no one. Ready? Oh, it came out on your hand. Yeah. Okay, sit up. Sit up nicely. Here we go. You're a good little eater. So it was about time I had to wait almost 5 months for someone to give me food. Right? Yeah. I had to wait 5 months.